All right, last example, example 8. Least complicated side, complicated side. Sec x minus 1, there is no identity, it has to be secant squared. So I'm going to square this quantity. So let's come back. So secant x minus 1 times secant x minus 1 minus 2 secant x. Multiply this out, I'm going to get secant squared x minus 2 secant x plus 1 minus 2 secant x. That's going to give me secant squared x plus 1. So I'm going to put those together. And then that's going to be minus 4 secant x. I have the feeling that this identity is not actually going to work. Secant squared x plus 1, that seems like it's something. So secant squared x plus 1 is not actually something. So secant squared is 1 plus tan. We could go in and replace that. Minus 4 secant x. But there's no way this is turning into tan squared. So I think that there was a typo in here. And what I think the typo was that this was supposed to be plus, because that would have made plus 2 here, which would have canceled those out. But secant squared plus 1 still doesn't equal tan squared. We needed secant squared minus 1 to be tan squared. So there's all kinds of errors in this last one. So that doesn't work. You can't show it's true. It's not true. On your test, don't worry, there will be things that will only be true.